This tiny animal is only a few millimeters long, but it's far deadlier than it looks. Met the Irukandji jellyfish, the most dangerous tiny creature you've never seen. It's smaller than your fingernail, almost completely invisible, and live in the water of Australia. But don't let the size fool you. One sting can inject a venom 100 times stronger than a cobra and 1,000 times stronger than a tarantula. It starts in cause something called Irukandji syndrome, explosive pain, uncontrollable fainting, sky-high blood pressure, and a full body sensation that feel like you're about to die. The scariest part, most people don't even know they have been stung. There is no visible mark, and symptoms hit 20 to 40 minutes later when it's already too late. And yes, this creature is so tiny. It can literally slip through stinger nets. So next time you're swimming in perfectly clear water, remember, the most dangerous thing in nature are the one you can't see.